happening? What is happening? Oh dear. Oh dear. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, okay. Please. Take that fish out. Whoa. 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 That is, look at this insane fish. Oh my days. Wow, wow, oh my. Whoa. Can we get more? Oh, I cannot believe my eyes. Mr. Robot, come here to help us. Yes. Wow, that is crazy. Come on, everyone. Wow. Let's get it. That
fantastic fish. Gonna be a fantastic fish, my dear players. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Oh, what is that? Oh, no way. Mama mia. Oh, wow. What is that? What is that shark monster? What is that? Wait, now we need the help from the plane. Plane. Oh wow, oh wow! And is that the half of the fish or something? More? More, even more. Alright. No way, we hit 100.
big fish, guys. Look at this fish. Eyes. We're white. I'm so happy right now. Maybe we will see a robot. Robot, wake up. Look at this. Wow. It's massive fish. We're kind of next to the highest one. No way, wait, what? That is 25x and it can be eaten. Flashlight giving me the rush. $52x. And that is going to be the biggest multiplier so far in our session. Oh yeah.
Yo, it's happening for real! Huge red for the 4x, 2000x to the maximum! I cannot believe that is happening. Don't be scared, little fish. Of course you're not little, look at that megalodon right here. Brain, help me please on this fish. Just dance with my hands above my head. Urgency here, we need your help now. Oh yeah, fantastic. Mamma mia, mama, holy macaroni, what is that? What is happening? What in the world? Fantastic, look at that. Yo, 100.